September 03, 2023. Battle for Dream Island again 6, and how do I feel motivated to revisit my old works? For the first time, I had watched Battle for Dream Island series when it's about to be abandoned in favor of Carrie's newer works, like Albuquerque's Athlon and 10 Words of Wisdom. It was interesting, because it's simply total drama starring everyday items. As like a lot of other kids, I had waited for Battle for Dream Island again 6 until 2016, when Jack and Jellify gave us IDFV. Quite disappointed, but at least I had left with something. At that time, I had watched several of Jack's shows. The most memorable was Inanimate Insanity. Then in like 2018 I had stopped liking Battle for Dream Island series mostly, because of how Battle for BFDIA Season 4 went. It was not relevant for Y2K kids and Zoomers like me. And people behind Jack and Jellify are try-hard with a Season 5, The Power of Two, so I gave it a few more shots. I'm more for Inanimate Insanity Invitational and total drama clones like Disventure Camp. Bro, 10 years? I was quite surprised they had to do well rested after a decade of suspense. I wonder what Battle for Dream Island again 7 would be like in October 33. Most likely I'll give up on object shows. I'm trying to watch Breaking Bad and Ace Attorney in autumn 23, so that's my priorities on shows. Also, I don't like kids of today having free access to internet. I feel forced to see them being stupid over the previous episode, being 10 possible older than them. Okay, whatever. Battle for Dream Island again 6 reminds me of my old series that I had abandoned in duration of 2018-2020. Hell, I wish to call my first video Microsoft Windows Concepts as Windows Never Released 36 or Windows Never Released 37, but alas there's nothing else I can say about the old new Battle for Dream Island again.